We've helped all kinds of people find their perfect storage space. And trust us, everyone has their own storage personality. So, which one are you? You like to keep things simple. A few labeled boxes, some out-of-season gear, maybe a spare lamp. You're not into clutter. You just want things neat and easy to find. Every item tells a story. Whether it's family keepsakes or sentimental treasures, your unit's like a time capsule, and we're honored to help you protect it. You run things efficiently. Your unit's stocked with products, marketing materials, or tools of the trade. It's your organized backup space, not an office, just smart business storage. You've always got a project on the go. From seasonal decor to hobby gear, you use your storage unit to keep it all out of the garage and out of your partner's way. Your passion? Legendary. Whether it's action figures or antique finds, your collection is safe, secure, and out of your living room. So, which one are you? Or maybe a little bit of everything. Whatever your style, we've got a clean, secure storage space ready when you are. Call or visit us online at www.arcosstorage.com to reserve your unit today.